What you can see right now?
The the modules.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Hey, Mohammed. So we are going to discuss about identification mechanism today. So identify
Okay.
by properties, identify by anchor, identify by image, and identify by index and XPath. So why we are using in the sense? So using this identification, we will make control unique. Okay. Sometimes what happens is while we are scanning the control, it will show not unique. The control, if for suppose, I'll show you here. Suppose this is a books, and also here books are there. Here computers, here computers, and electronics, apparels, and digital downloads, jewelry, gift cards, and also you could see here add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. How many times we have a six types? Okay, six different items with the same name. So if you see uh, s- different items with the similar names, Tosca will confuse where to click. Okay. So this is here
Uh-huh.
also add to cart is there, here also add to cart is there, here also is there. So where to click, Tosca will confuse that, and it will, while you're scanning it, it will show in the orange color. So it will make not unique. So let me try to scan and I'll show you. Okay. Scan this. So in this case, what we will do is we need to make it unique. We have to make that
Okay.
unique. By using properties only we can do that. While we are scanning only, we can see that problem.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me scan and I'll show you. Try to understand. Yeah. Highlight, select on screen. So see here, I'm just scanning this, add to cart. You could see right, orange color, right?
Yeah.
This orange color indicates that your item is not unique. Okay. So you can see here one item is not unique, the selected item is unique. Okay, the selected item is unique in the sense, if you see green color, that that should be only one. If you see one item is not unique, which means that is not unique. It should show like the selected item is only unique, only green color one, not like this. So what I will do is, you just simply click on this. Okay, by clicking on this you can make unique. I'll show you how to do it. See here, by clicking on outer text HTML. So this is one way to, now you see the selected item is unique, understood, and orange color gone, right?
Yeah.
So this is one way, and I'll show you one more way. And just go to the basic, just click on basic. Okay, and go to advanced again. Just here you see this identify by properties, and you just select index. Okay, can you see here index? Just click it, automatically the selected item is unique. Can you see that? This is second way.
Yeah.
And third way I'll show you. So if you uncheck this, automatically it will appear orange color. So I'm just making it as not unique, and I'll use, you see, anchor properties. Okay, so what you will do for anchor, you just drag this bar, filter item bar, you just drag till here. Okay, so now you see here, Mohammed, again you need to select, this is currently it is showing identify by index. What you have to do, you have to select anchor. So these many ways we have to make this unique. You need to check one by one. So I am showing all at once, but in production, while you are working in the project, so you need to check with the first technical properties like identify by properties. Next you need to go with the index. After that you need to go with the anchor. Last option is image. Okay, so whenever you see this, Can you see this? Div. So this is called as parental. Okay, this is parental control. Drag this and drop. It will show not unique.
Mm-hmm.
So still not unique, which means it is not working. That's it, simple. So let me try to close this. Okay, go to basic. That's it. Okay, no problem. Go basic. Okay. So here that is not right example for this anchor. Let me choose books here. Can you see? Click on books. Still it
Yeah.
shows not unique. So let us make unique. Go to the advanced. Okay, identify by anchor. Now try to drag this filter bar. This filter bar will works. Excuse me. This filter bar will help you to use anchor only. You just drag till here. Okay. So let us try to scroll down. You could see here the books. The books, whatever it is there. Okay. Let me show you. So the above one, from the books till the here, from the books, if you see one by one, you see square dotted lines. This square dotted line is the parent of these books. Books, you can consider these books as Muhammad. Okay, he is a Muhammad. Okay, this Muhammad parent is here. Understood, my dear friend? Suppose if this book, you can consider this as a Noor, this div dotted square line is a Muhammad. Understood, my dear friend? Okay, just select anchor, just hold whatever the above of these books, whatever, wherever you see the dotted line. So here also dotted square box. Not, but this is not parent, right? This is a parent of strong. Books parent is div only, because books is actually here the control. For this control, parent control, whatever the above books, wherever you see, this is called as parent control. Just drag and drop on top of this box. That's it. Let me do it again. The select different control identified by specific one of your system is under test. Okay. Okay, now go back to the basic. Just I am trying, it is not working properly. So I am going to deselect it. I am removing it. Okay, because my sometimes what happens, your Tosca commander will not work properly. So I am doing scan again. Just scan once. Application, select application. Okay, select demo web shop. So to make unique, we have a 4 types. Technical properties. Second one is index. Third one is anchor property. Fourth one is image. So 4 ways I am showing. Okay, again I'll try to scan these books. So I just would like to show you, this is not right copy. So let us try again properly books. Okay, like this. Okay, now you see. Now go to advanced. Select these books. Identify by anchor. Oh, that's good. Now you just drag it right side. So now try to select again anchor. Just select this. Click on anchor. Okay, so just click on this books and try to drag this and drop on top of this. You see this, Mohammed? The target control was successfully identified.
Yeah.
So this is one way. How many ways we have seen? Properties we have seen, anchor we have seen, index we have seen. We have to see image. One image pending. So to remove this, just right click on it. Here just right click on it, remove anchor. That's it. So now I'll go back to the basic. I'm showing 4 ways. You can use any way, doesn't matter. So I'm showing we have a 4 ways. Out of 4 ways you can utilize. Whenever you face this kind of issue, you can use 4 ways. out of 4 way you can use any one way. Suppose if I want to go US from India, I'll go through Abu Dhabi, I'll go through Dubai, I'll go through UK, I'll go through Canada also. That is my wish. Understood, my dear friend?
Yes.
Yes, right. Okay, let me do one thing.
But in jobs, you're gonna do the same thing, like
Yeah,
there,
yeah, yeah.
or no? It's
No
gonna say
doubt in
different.
that. You're gonna do same thing. Application and application
The
might
naming's gonna
changes.
be different.
Naming gonna be different. Here books it might be, there might be something something powder, something there might be mobile, something it might be something different. The no names will be changed, but almost all will be the same. The process is same, Mohammed. Okay,
Okay.
the process is same, application might changes. Clear? Go to advanced again. Oh sorry, I'll scan this again. Same, no doubt at all. I'm there, man. Why you are worrying? No worries. I'm there for you. Don't worry. Okay, let us try to scan this. Now go to advanced. For this, what you have to do, just select image. You see this, right? So now select the, you see, select this image, right? You just take anything reference. Okay, for suppose I will take this books as a reference. Understood?
Yeah.
Automatically it will select whenever you click and drag like this. See this? Yes, select this. Okay, it is not unique. Maybe we did mistake anywhere. Let me cross check. Why did we mistake? Let me go. Okay, I'll go back to the basic. Let me try to do one thing. I'll remove this. I'll scan another one. Okay, let me try to scan this. Okay, go to advanced. Here I'll keep like this. This is not required for image. So okay, let me try to select image. Okay, so now image I could see, and you just click on this. Okay, this is not wrong, this is wrong selection. You see, Mohammed, add to cart, we have actually selected add to cart, but it is showing something different. So this is not right way.
Yeah.
That's the reason it is not accepting. So let me go back. I'll unselect this. Okay, that's good, and I'll go back to the basic. So this is not right. Okay, so it should be very much clear like this. Okay, so now I'll try to select on add to cart. Now add to cart got selected. Go to advanced. Now you select this in image. So it should show in add to cart here. No, it is not right way. Add to cart not showing. Let me click on this. See here, add to cart showing here. Okay, so now just select it. Now you need to take the reference. So for this I will take this as a reference, my dear friend. See, that's it.
Yeah.
I took this as a reference. Now you just simply select yes. You see, can you read this? The selected item is unique. The green color one, the selected item is unique. Can you see here?
Yeah.
So this is a way, and I'll show you one more time. I'll show you one more time. I'll remove this. Okay, and select on this, and I'm going to take a reference of this name. You see, it is showing. Actually, the add to cart is actually you scanned item, and you are giving it as a reference. Just I'm giving image as a reference. Now try to do it. Just yes. Click on yes. See this? The selected item is unique. Okay. So this is one way. So let me remove this, and I'll do some mistake here. Intentionally I am doing mistake here. Can you see, my dear friend? This is an empty space. never you should not select. Okay, mistakenly also you should not select any empty space like this. If you click here, if you select any empty space as a reference, so this item will not be unique anymore. So this will not be unique. You see, the item is still not unique. Always you have to select the item, whatever the reference point must be image or control or name, anything. See, I am taking apparel, something is like this. Just I am taking it as a reference, one point, and just click on yes. Let me do it again. Just select on top of the, oh, selected item is unique already. Oh yeah, you see Mohammed, now it just got updated.
Yeah.
Okay, so apparel, which means how many times, how many ways we have to make unique, to make one control unique, we have to use properties, anchor, image, index. This properties we can call it as a technical properties, this we can call it as anchor properties, this we can call it as image property, and this we can make it as index property. And understood, my dear friend? So this is
Yes.
what we have discussed, Mohammed. Identify by own properties like technical properties, identify by
Mm-hmm.
anchor, identify by image, identify by index. X path I will show you. X path, you just click on this, you just scroll
Uh-huh.
it down. Lastly, if there is no any option, for suppose you are not select, it got not unique by unique didn't work. Sorry. What is that name? Technical properties didn't work, image didn't work, anchor didn't work, and index didn't work. If these properties didn't work properly, what you have to do, the last option is X path. Can I click here directly? Just click on it.
Okay.
Just click on X path. Whenever you click here, automatically 100% it will make unique. You see this? The selected item is unique. So this is X
Okay.
path. Clear? To make this unique only, we have discussed, we are using identify by properties, my dear friend. After making this unique, you are going to save this and you are going to store into the modules. That module you are utilizing in test case. Understood? So this is all
Yeah.
about, this is all about identify by mechanism. Understood, my friend? Okay.
Yes.
So these properties, these properties we're gonna use next upcoming classes. Okay. So in
Okay.
while we are doing exercises, we will face the problems. At that time, that my wish, what I will use is, that's complete my wish. I will use technical properties or anchor, image, index. It's complete on my mood. If my mood is good, I'll directly use index. If that's completely my wish, whatever you want to utilize, except X path. X path is last. And also I would like to show you, and I would like to let you know that there is order to utilize. First you need to utilize identify by properties. Second one is identify by index. Sorry, this is second one. Next one is identify by anchor. Next one is identify by image. After lastly you need to use identify by X path. So this sequence you need to follow. First,
Okay.
second, third, fourth, and fifth. This is last option. Okay. So this is all about today. Nothing else. Okay. Next we're gonna create. Next we're gonna see
Browser.
browser operations, which means
Okay.
I have a Edge browser, I have a Chrome browser. So I have these many browsers, and I have a Firefox. Okay, we never know what browser client will ask, right? So you must need to know to test different browsers, my dear friend. So I will show you in different browsers how to create the test cases using different browsers. Clear?
Okay.
So let's discuss
Yeah.
about this next. Understood?
Tomorrow. Yeah. Okay.
And this or this TCP or browser we're gonna use next time. I will show you. Don't worry. Okay. So thank you, Mohammed. This is all about today. So I hope you understood.
Okay, no problem.
You understood, right?
Yeah, it's better like last class how we did it, like me doing it. I like doing like that.
Yeah. So if you
You
do
know what I'm
practice,
saying?
actually, Mohammed. So actually, I'm teaching you, but if you do practice, this will be easy for you. Actually, you can understand more better.
Yeah.
While you are doing practice, you can understand very much better than this.
Hmm.
So then, if possible, try to just open it and try to you try to do it. Okay, if you get doubts, please note it down and you just ask me. You just kill me, man. Just kill me by asking the doubts, please. Please kill me. You just ask me doubts, more doubts. If you ask me the doubts only, then you will get more questions in your mind.
True.
If you get more questions in your mind, you'll ask more doubts. If you get more doubts, you'll get more subject. If you get more subject, you can understand more better. If you can understand more better, you can lead the project very well without taking
Yeah.
anyone's help. My
True.
intention is you do project by yourself, then so no one help is need required at the time. So you can आप अपने से संभाल सकते हैं. किसी का ऊपर डिपेंड नहीं करने के लिए ज़रूरत नहीं है. कोई भी ज़रूरत नहीं भाई, सच में बोल रहा हूँ. आप अपने संभाल सकते हैं इसको. बहुत अच्छा एंड बहुत इजी टूल है. छोटा टूल है वो. इसको अच्छा से संभाल
Yeah.
सकते हैं. आराम से यूज़ कर सकते हैं इसको. आराम से खेल सकते हैं इसका ऊपर.
Okay.
Alright. Fine, Mohammed. Thanks for joining today. So next
Okay.
class we'll connect and we'll discuss. Until then, take care. Bye
Okay,
bye.
for sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
Take care. Bye.
Yeah.